We've had about 3 inches of snow in the last 24 hours or so. The big storm is coming in from the west, upwards of 20 to 30 inches of snow in the next 2 to 3 days. That's how you keep a husky in your truck.
I love the snow. 1, 2, 3.
Sir. Kind sir. Hey guys. I say the heavy stuff isn't going to come down for some time. I say hike on.
I don't think the heavy stuff's going to come down for quite a while.
Jillian, do you know Caddyshack references?
No.
Do you know what Caddyshack is?
No.
Do you know what a Caddyshack is?
No.
Do you know what a Caddyshack is?
No.
A shack for caddies?
Oh, okay, I got it.
Get it? Okay. Taking a little break. Do you want to hike? Are you... Okay, so we're headed downhill. That is our crossing point, but it's kind of steep now. And Heather basically gave up.
No, I just slid.
What are you? A little downhill skiing for you?
No, I'm like a human sled.
A human sled. Uh-oh. They're completely sliding downhill.
We did this just to do it again.
Well, at least you guys are having fun with it.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Did you slide downhill too?
Yeah. Oh, this looks.
I don't think I had that on video.
This looks good. This looks good.
iPhone 7 Plus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Looks real good. I'm stuck. There we go.
Stick.
Nice, Jill.
How do you get out of the way?
Go. Go ahead. It's been a little hard on your snowshoe.
Okay.
There's an extreme possibility that we did a little bit of damage to the fence.
No, it wasn't me. It was the one-armed man.
But you know what? This fence is probably about 80 years old anyway. I'm happy to fix it for the farmer, rancher, if need be. But I'd like to wait till spring. Did you really need to wrap me up and everything? You just wrapped the lead around me. Come here, back up. Okay, there you go. Oh, you totally wrapped your leg. Easy. There you go. gloomy days this year. It's usually sunny. It's called Sun Valley for a reason. It's always sunny, but not this year. Lots of snow, which is cool. No complaints. Who had fun? I gotta go back and snowblow.